Our neighbors. In this chapter, we will know about the neighbors of Earth, that are the sun, the moon, and the stars. Lesson 3. Our neighbors. Who all are the Earth's neighbors? The sun, the moon, and the star are its neighbors. The sun shines brightly during the daytime. At night, we see the moon and the stars twinkling in the sky. Let us learn more about the Earth's beautiful neighbors. As we all have neighbors, Earth also have neighbors. The sun, the moon, and the star are its neighbors. When you look at the sky during the day, you see the sun, and at night, you can see the moon and stars. The sun. The sun is a star. It is like a big ball of hot gases. The sun is the center or the heart of the solar system. It is the source of life on Earth. Since it gives us heat and light, it is the only heavenly body in the solar system which has its own light. The sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. The sun is so large that the earth could easily fit inside the sun 1,000,000 times. All the planets, including the earth, move around the sun. The sun is important to us for various reasons. It is the source of heat and light. The sun gives us energy that can be used for several purposes. Plants prepare food with the help of sunlight. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. This energy is used for cooking, lighting up lamps on the street, and even to run cars. First of all, we will study about the Earth's first neighbor, that is the sun. The sun is a star. The sun is at the center of solar system. All the planets move around the sun. The sun is a huge ball of very hot gases. Children's sun is so big that millions of times the earth can easily fit inside it. Importance of the sun. Without the sun, the earth would not be able to support life. This is because it is the main source of energy for earth. It provides light and heat. It is necessary for plants to carry out photosynthesis. Means plant prepare food with the help of sunlight. Children, one thing more that I want to tell you about sun. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth. Without the sun, the earth would be a very cold planet. The sun is a source of energy. The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. It is used to light up streets at night, to cook food, and even to run cars. Children, Japan has already made a car that runs on solar energy. Let's see how much you have learned. So the first question is, who are Earth's neighbors? The sun, the moon, and the stars are Earth's neighbors. Question 2. What is the sun? You can say sun is a star. can also say it is a big ball of hot gases. You can also say it is the source of life on earth. Next question. What does the sun gives us? Answer is it gives us heat, light and energy. Next question. Which country has already made a car that runs on solar energy? Answer is Japan. Japan has already made a car that runs on solar energy. Next, which one is big, the sun or the earth? Which one is big? The sun is big. Next, what is at the center of solar system? The answer is the sun. The sun is at the center of solar system. The moon. The moon is our closest neighbor. It is round in shape. The moon is smaller than the sun, but it looks as big as the sun because it is closer to the earth than the sun. The moon is the earth's only natural satellite. It moves around the earth. A satellite moves around the planets just as the planet moves around the sun. The moon shines at night, but it doesn't have light of its own. It receives light from the sun. The part which receives sunlight is the part that is seen from the earth. The moon has no life. Water was discovered on moon in 2009. There is no wind or weather on the moon. Read to know, the first man to land on the moon was American astronaut Neil Armstrong. He set foot on the moon on July 20, 1969 on the space mission Apollo 11.
The next neighbor of Earth is the moon. The moon is round like the sun. It is the closest neighbor of the earth. When we see from the earth, both the sun and the moon appear to be of the same size. But the moon is much smaller than the sun. It looks big because it is much closer to the earth than the sun. Children, the moon moves around the earth. It is the earth's natural satellite. Do you know what a satellite is? Just as a planet moves around the sun, a satellite moves around a planet. Children, like the sun, does the moon have its own light? No, the moon doesn't have its own light. Look at the screen. Only the part of the moon which receives sunlight can be seen from the earth. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon on July 20, 1969.
There is no air on the moon. No one can live there. Water was discovered in 2009. The stars. When you look at the night sky, you can see thousands of beautiful stars shining brightly. The stars are huge balls of fire that have heat and light of their own. The brightest star in the sun is the pole star. Have you wondered why stars appear small while the sun looks bigger and brighter? The stars appear small because they are far from us, while the sun is nearer. That is why it looks bigger and brighter. A group of stars is known as constellation. They form patterns in the sky that look like figures of people, animals, or any other character. The Great Bear or Ursa Major is one of the clearest constellations. It is the third largest constellation in the sky. Some other constellations or clusters of stars are Scorpion, and the Leo, the Lion.
Next neighbor of Earth is the stars. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. They are whose heavenly bodies. They are big balls of gas. They have their own heat and light. The brightest star we see in the sky is pole star. You can clearly see the brightest star on the screen. Children, stars and sun both appears in the sky. Both are balls of hot gases. Then why stars appear small and less bright as compared to the sun? This is because stars are far from us while the sun is nearer. That's why sun looks bigger and brighter as compared to the stars.
Children, when we look at the sky, some stars appear to form patterns. These patterns look like figures of animals, people or things. Such patterns are called constellation. One constellation that can be seen very clearly at the sky is Great Bear, also called Ursa Major. It is the third largest constellation in the sky. Some other constellations are Scorpius, the scorpion, Leo, the lion, and Orion, the hunter. Now tell me, which is the natural satellite of Earth? The answer is Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Next question. Does the moon support life? No, because there is no air on the moon. Question 3. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. Next question. Which is the brightest star in the sky? There are so many stars. So which one is brightest? The pole star is brightest. Which constellation can be seen clearly at night? The Great Bear can be seen clearly at night. Next, which is much closer to the earth, the moon or the sun? The answer is moon. Next question, what is constellation? Constellation is a group of stars. This was all about lesson 3, our neighbors. I hope you all have understood